If you're over 60 and starting to feel more unsteady on your feet, like walking across a room feels less automatic, or you're holding onto furniture more often, you're not alone. And more importantly, you're not broken. Every day, thousands of seniors quietly begin to avoid steps, uneven sidewalks, and even social events, all because they've lost confidence in their balance. It happens slowly, a missed step here, a brief wobble there, until the fear of falling becomes a daily thought. But what if I told you that your body hasn't given up? It's just gone quiet. That the real issue isn't age, but three specific systems in your body that have simply stopped getting the right signals? Here's the good news. You can wake them back up, starting today, with just a few minutes a day, right from home. No gym, no pills, no long routines. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with 3 simple standing exercises, each one designed to reawaken a different part of your balance system, safely and effectively. Let's take that first step together. You might think that balance loss is just about weak legs, but the truth runs deeper and more hopeful. Your ability to stay upright, walk confidently, and recover from a stumble relies on 3 major systems in your body working together. Your inner ear, vestibular system, it detects head movement, speed, and direction. Your vision, it tells your brain where you are in space. Your proprioception, the hidden network of sensors in your feet, joints, and muscles that send real-time updates to your brain. As we age, and especially if we sit more, move less, or avoid challenges, these systems start to shut down, not because you're broken, but because they're no longer being used. But here's the exciting part. They can be retrained. And the 3 exercises you'll learn today each target a specific system. Exercise 1 activates proprioception and ankle control. Exercise 2 gently challenges your vision and inner ear. Exercise 3 rebuilds full body coordination in all directions. These aren't random moves. They're carefully chosen to reignite the communication between your brain and your body, so you move with more ease, confidence, and control. Let's start with the foundation, a powerful yet simple move called the single leg balance. Let's begin with one of the most powerful, yet overlooked, balance exercises, the single leg balance. This movement might look simple, but its impact is deep. It activates your feet, ankles, hips, core, and brain, all in one controlled action. And you don't need any equipment. Why it works. Every time you take a step, climb stairs, or shift direction, your body momentarily balances on one leg. If your brain and stabilizing muscles aren't prepared for that, even small motions can feel unstable. The single leg balance trains your body to handle that shift, calmly, confidently, and with control. How to do it. Step by step. Stand tall near a sturdy chair, wall, or countertop. Place your feet hip-width apart and shift your weight slightly back and forth, from the balls of your feet to your heels, to feel your connection to the ground. Shift your weight onto your right foot. Lift your left foot off the ground just a few inches. Keep your core gently engaged. Imagine pulling your belly in slightly. Focus your eyes on a fixed point straight ahead, not down. Breathe steadily and hold the position for 20-30 seconds. Slowly lower your foot, shake out your legs, and switch sides. If you're new to this, keep one hand lightly touching your support surface. As you build confidence, progress to using just a few fingers, or eventually, no hands at all. What you should feel gentle. Wobbling in your ankle and foot. That's your nervous system working. A tightening in your glutes and core, stabilizing your center. A sense of tuning in to your balance. These are signs of activation, not weakness. Variations to progress or modify. Easier. Keep your lifted foot close to the ground. Widen your base by slightly turning your support foot out. Harder. Close your eyes. Major proprioception challenge. Lift your knee higher. Hold for longer durations. Add light movement like gentle leg swings or torso turns. What to avoid. Don't lock your standing knee. Keep it slightly soft. Don't hold your breath. Stay relaxed and steady. Don't lean back or hunch forward. Keep posture upright and neutral. Real-life impact. Mastering this exercise improves your stability while walking or stepping up, confidence standing for longer periods, recovery ability after a trip or slip, awareness of how your feet and body move together. And remember, you don't need to be perfect, just consistent. Each time you practice, you're reactivating the vital circuits that keep you upright. And one step closer to balance, you can trust again. Let's move to the second exercise, where we challenge another balance pillar, your vision and vestibular system, in a safe and gentle way. Our second exercise targets a part of your balance that most people don't think about until it starts to fail, your vestibular system. This system, located in your inner ear, is responsible for detecting changes in head position and movement. It works closely with your vision and proprioception to help you stay upright. But when you remove vision from the equation, by closing your eyes, your body is forced to rely more on your inner ear and joint sensors to stay balanced. This is why closing your eyes while standing can feel so challenging. And that's exactly what makes this exercise powerful for rebuilding real-world stability. How to perform it safely. Stand with your back close to a corner or wall and place a sturdy chair or countertop at your side for optional support. Position your feet about shoulder width apart. Rest your hand lightly on the chair or wall for balance. When ready, remove your hand and stand freely for a few seconds. Slowly close your eyes while maintaining a steady posture. Breathe normally and focus on keeping your balance for 10 to 20 seconds. If you feel unstable, open your eyes and use your support. If needed, take a step back and reset. Start with short holds. Repeat this 2 to 3 times and increase the duration gradually as your body adapts. What to expect? The moment your eyes close, you might feel swaying or light wobbling. This is not a failure. It's your nervous system working to re-establish balance without relying on visual cues. Over time, this builds the adaptability you need to stay stable in the dark, on uneven terrain, or when turning your head quickly. Key safety notes. Always have a support surface within arm's reach. Do not perform this in an open area without something solid nearby. Never close your eyes if you already feel off balance. Start by practicing with eyes open, then progress gradually. Variations and modifications. If closing both eyes feels too difficult, try this progression. Close one eye at a time. Keep your eyes open, but look straight ahead without focusing on movement. Try reducing hand support over time. As you improve, this exercise becomes a valuable tool for retraining your brain to detect subtle shifts in balance, something that helps prevent falls in everyday situations, especially when visual input is limited. By strengthening this overlooked system, you're training your body to react faster and stay more stable in real life, not just in ideal conditions. Now that we've reactivated your visual and vestibular systems, it's time to challenge your full body coordination in multiple directions with a dynamic and highly effective movement, the STAR Excursion Balance. This third exercise is one of the most comprehensive balance drills available. It challenges your body to stabilize in multiple directions, all while standing on a single leg. The STAR Excursion Balance is often used in rehabilitation and athletic training, but when adapted for seniors, it becomes a safe and effective way to retrain balance, strengthen the hips and ankles, and build real-world confidence, especially when moving or reacting unexpectedly. It mimics the unpredictable demands of everyday life, stepping to the side to avoid something, reaching in front of you, or turning quickly to respond to a sound. That's why this movement matters. Step-by-step instructions. Stand on your left leg, with your hands on your hips or resting lightly on a countertop or wall for support. Soften your standing knee slightly. Do not lock it. Slightly bend your left knee and lean forward just a bit to engage your hip and core. This is your ready position. Now, with your right leg, slowly reach forward and lightly tap the ground as far as you can without losing balance. Return to the center. Repeat this movement in different directions, creating a star pattern around your body. Forward and across the body, diagonally left. Straight forward, forward and outward, diagonally right. Directly to the right, side. Backward and outward, diagonally right behind. Straight backward, backward and across the body, diagonally left behind. Perform the reach and tap in each direction once, then switch legs. If that's too much at once, begin with 3 directions, forward, side, and back. Then add more as your balance improves. Technique tips. Keep your torso upright and your movement slow and controlled. Focus on reaching with the non-standing leg, not shifting your weight. Engage your core throughout. If you wobble or lose balance, reset and start again. That's part of the process. What you should feel. Your standing leg and hip working to stabilize you. Your core activating to keep your upper body steady. Gentle fatigue in your ankle, knee, and glute after completing the sequence. This means your stabilizer muscles are being trained, the very muscles that help catch you if you trip or lose footing. Modifications for beginners. Reduce the range of reach. Shorter steps are still effective. Use more support from a chair or countertop. Perform fewer directions, then increase as you improve. Do it barefoot if safe. This improves foot engagement and proprioception. Why this exercise matters. Most falls don't happen in a straight line. They happen when stepping sideways, reacting quickly, or moving in an unexpected direction. This exercise teaches your body to stay balanced under those real-life conditions. It improves coordination, strengthens overlooked muscles, and trains your brain to respond faster. Even practicing this just 2 to 3 times per week can lead to noticeable improvements in movement control, especially for transitions like stepping onto curbs, getting into a car, or avoiding obstacles. Now, let's wrap up this video with a quick recap, some encouragement, and a plan to keep your progress going. If you've made it this far, you've already done something powerful. You've taken action. You didn't wait for a fall to remind you. You showed up to rebuild your balance before it becomes a problem. Let's quickly review what you just learned. Single leg balance trains your proprioception and stabilizing muscles from the ground up, your ankles, hips, and core. Standing balance with eyes closed reactivates your inner ear and nervous system, making your balance more reliable even when visual input is removed. Star Excursion balance develops full body coordination in every direction, preparing your body for the real-world demands of movement, reaction, and recovery. These exercises aren't flashy. They're not about sweating or pushing through pain. They're about precision, control, and consistency. And that's what your body needs right now. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. Even 5 minutes a day can retrain your brain, strengthen your stabilizers, and restore your confidence. It's not about doing more. It's about doing it with intention. So here's your next step. Leave a comment below and write "balance back" if you're ready to make this a part of your routine. Let others know they're not alone, and you're in this together. Share this video with a friend or family member who could use a gentle nudge to start moving again. Sometimes the right reminder makes all the difference. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you won't miss our next video, where we'll guide you through a complete follow-along daily balance routine, including a special version for those with joint pain or mobility limitations. Remember, balance isn't gone, it's just sleeping. Wake it up one step at a time. Stay steady, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.